Oh, it's so bright. It's the outside. Alright, hey, it's been a long time since I've done a video, I know, and every time I use my phone as a camera, it looks super weird on my skin color is just, I don't know, the skin color looks really off for some reason. But yeah, we're going camping. It's been a while. Been a very long time, since 2018 as 2021 now. Just thought I'd record maybe a small snippet and vlog of it. I won't be doing like a full-on vlog with a camera this year. I'll just bring my phone along and take some little snippets here and there, but I'm packing right now. As you can see, as you can see on the floor, there's some stuff. There's not that much stuff because it's just 4 days. So yeah, we're going. You can't even see them dab. I don't think. Oh, it's so dark. Oh, you might be able to see me though. We're just building the tents right now. Some people are getting wood, and there's people over there setting up food. We're eating chili. Chili lady. Say hi. Oh, I did not mean. Hello.
You doing this tonight? I will. You will.
I got some in the grinder. Over there.
Sorry?
I got some in the grinder over there.
Oh, shit.
It's 11. It's 11 at night.
Is it already? Use your fork, dude.
You'll get it eventually. Oh, look at that pump action. That pump action shotgun.
It's the camping I remember.
It will start.
It's a goddamn Olympic torch. Okay, I think mine's a bit better built.
There you go.
Wait, hold on.
Wait, light it off with temp stuff.
Pass on the
Oh,
torch.
yeah, pass on the.
This is fucking. I think I might will light eventually.
Oh my, your thing is like actually lit. It's an actual torch.
Point it down a minute. That thing droops on your hand. Yeah.
Oh, shit. Pushing it over.
It's on fire, bro.
Leave it.
Just leave it.
It's about to catch.
Oh, there we go.
Oh. Yo, there's light rays in between them too.
Oh, God.
Yo, the God rays are coming through. Yo, RTX is on.
Walk in. Just threw like a fire stick in the
It looks dry enough.
Doesn't feel wet. Tell one of these catches by itself. You're trying to figure out
No.
like the temperature inside of it.
Dude, Ryan sweat it like 3 times.
I don't give up, dude. This is impossible.
Your axe is too small.
Yeah, sure.
True, he's got the bigger axe.
Size really does matter.
Size does matter. Oh my god, Yogi's.
It worked pretty well.
I should just record Ryan breaking instead of Howard.
Oh shit. How is Ryan so successful?
It's not hard, dude.
Okay, Howard's having a hard time over there.
You gotta hit it hard. That's what I'm saying.
Why would I stand there?
Oh, yo, you got it.
It dead.
Oh!
Nice. That was not a good idea. An axe in your hand. Ah, yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
Shit.
That one's a loss.
You don't want to be that close. wait. Oh,
Oh, got it.
Oh shit, my finger!
Yeah,
Like 80%.
it's covered. Were you watching this or were you watching the screen?
Dude, no, I dropped your phone and I had to like. I just blocked it again. Whatever, dude. Yeah. I'm sure it's somewhere we can still land.
And start TPing because there's not gonna be quite enough oxygen.
This one.
Helicopter's filming like a nature documentary.
You see the caveman natural habitat.
Discovered fire.
Oh my god, it's actually.
No, we actually got fucking scammed, dude.
It's too wet. Monopoly time.
The classic thumbtack.
Use the thimble.
Wait, what is it? It's so bad. So much better though, man.
Yeah, you don't have to do the math yourself.
Oh, dude, I'm got the abacus. I swear, there's like a Chinese version of Monopoly that comes with an abacus.
I feel like
That comes like a mini abacus. Oh, there's like 50 different versions. Like Da Flong or something. This is rough, Howard.
That's unfortunate. This is me.
9.
This is his property. All of this.
Community joke, baby.
Oh, God. What is it? What is it? What is it? 1, 2, 3. Oh, no! You got it. You still owe me 500K.
Oh no.
What? What? It's my airport. Oh, it's his
No,
airport.
it's
No.
He bought it.
Fuck, I thought it
That's
was
the
my
last
airport.
one.
10. All you landed on is property. That's
6, 7,
5,
8, 9, 10. Oh, that's not bad.
That's not horrible.
I'm about to die.
That's
Alright.
things go, yeah.
I need anything past.
You're gonna suffocate the guys who are gonna lose anyways. These guys are gonna win.
Oh,
You're
5.
fine.
Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Never
No,
mind,
you're not.
Ah!
Never
I
mind,
have
you're
1
not fine.
million left.
You owe me $8 million.
Wait, I'm dead. That's all my. That's more than all my money.
You have the mortgage.
Oh my god.
Like,
fucked up the numbers and put 25K, not 250K.
He rolls 1. He can't. He rolls 3, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9.
So
He dies.
3, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay.
3, 4, 6, 8, 9.
Ready?
Oh! Oh shit!
That counts. That's
What
a
was
1.
it? It's a
That's
one.
a 1.
It's a 1.
It's over.
It's a 1.
It's over.
Oh shit!
Roll.
6.
6.
Oh
3, 4,
my.
6, 6. South Beach, Miami. You owe me $9.5 million.
Oh my. That's game over.
Game over.
Game.
Oh.
No, he has money,
He
but
has
like
money.
with the value of his properties, it's not enough to overcome.
No, that puts you at 15 mil.
And I'll have like 30 mil at this point.
Yeah.
If we just lose. Like I don't think you can.
Okay,
It's
Howard, wait,
basically a war
wait.
of attrition at
Wait,
this
you
point.
built max fucking hotels here. If Eric rolls bad, you're still in the game.
You can put your trust in me, dude.
Oh shit! You're gonna mix it up with this. Right?
True.
Oh sorry.
It's looking pretty good, I gotta say,
Yo, this shit busted.
I wonder if it's cooked or Dude, it's actually pretty good.
Yo, it's good.
Oh my god, it's like we add cheese to it.
I want to try now.
It's actually pretty good.
You get that Dorito. I don't even know if you can see me at this point.
I can record you, I can record
Oh shit.
you.
Alright. Oh, right? A little crunch. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty good. Walking to the beach. We're gonna play volleyball. We're not actually swimming.
basketball again. I think you're still using too much arm. Mostly leg. I can't see it. Just let the ball rebound off of you. Don't hit it. It's like, here, bounce. Have your arm up. Oh my god. Have your arm up. Yeah. Hold it straight. That's it. Walk it. I don't know. I do this. Some people do that. This is I find easy. You know, if you're like hitting, you got your arm. When it's on it, then you have it like this. Hard to do that. Like what? You can hit it a bit. You can hit it a bit. Just don't swing within your arm. It's hard. Something like that. Yeah. You want the contact. He's learning. Well, that was yours.
Oh.
Oh no. Nice. Up. Oh, way up. Got it? No. Oh, alright. Oh, let's get it straight up. I need to angle it. Oh,
I think it's going sky high.
we can go closer and warm up. Yeah. A little bit higher than that. That's a lift. Okay, so this is a lift, so it has to be like instant. Right? Yeah. Come on, man. Come on. Alright. Tree! No, the tree saved it. Not when you hit it, I think you hit it on the hand. This, you really want to be just moving to get to where it is. Basically, the ball should be in the center of your body. Just think of the ball coming at your like abdomen instead of coming at your arms. If you walk your arms in front of you, it'll always come to you. If you move your arms a lot, it's gonna end up like to the side. Unless you have to, like just get used to it. Just keep your arms focused and move your body.
Never say it again, man.
What were you saying?
What? Nothing.
Wait, I didn't hear it. I didn't hear it.
I didn't hear either, right?
Wait, yo, what do you mean you said
You
it?
said something.
Rough, dude.
You're a what?
Wait, I'm what? I'm a human?
Oh, wait, but you said you wanted to be this one. This one's neither, it's got ears on it, bro.
Cat girl. Cat girl? I'm a cat girl?
Oh, dude. Soundbite.
And my nails look disgusting.
I'm pretty sure all of our nails look disgusting.
Yeah, dude.
Not wrong. Market fucking style rules is life one where like if anybody rolls like a certain number you get paid for it.
What?
You don't remember from Life 1 if you paid like this?
Does he have dietary restrictions?
No.
Oh, he's not Muslim?
He was keto.
He goes on keto like for like 2 days every once in a while.
And then he's like, I'm done keep.
Only rice isn't in keto.
Don't eat rice.
Yo, I can't even see. I can't see my graham crackers.
You
got light?
Secondary lighting.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Alright, graham cracker. And then uncooked marshmallow that I will cook. Oh, that is real bright. Alright. Oh. That's unfortunate that it came off centered.
It burned pretty well.
For like half a second and they're gone.
Yeah. A knife and a fork. I don't know which box. I can't see. I think it's in that one of those.
There's a fork here.
Oh, okay. Just a knife, please.
No, apparently not.
It's been fun. I didn't really bring a camera, so it's not really like an official vlog or anything, but it's been a fun weekend so far. Kind of tired. Today's Sunday. We're here from Friday to Monday, so tomorrow's Monday. So I didn't get much sleep. I was like overheated. It was just too warm, even though it was like 10 degrees last night, but it felt too warm for some reason for me. Maybe I'll drink some more coffee when I get back, just to wake up some more, you know. I hope the quality of my phone looks okay, because I always felt like the colors on my phone quality felt kind of yellow or something. We'll see what happens when I edit it. Boy.
Well, I have an emergency kit for that. I doubt it has anything more than normal emergency kit.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Hey, just go put it out, dude.
No, how the fuck are we gonna put it out? It's a fire starter. There's no way. Oh, careful.
Looks like you're extinguishing it every time, but
It might be.
Nah.
What's the shot that we had here? I don't know what it is.
water.
They're actually like collecting water. You could break that.
Yeah, might as well just use this. We don't need the tap.
The best fire.
I'm gonna push the water.
Okay, go for it.
Oh, I'm too far away.
Alright, make some coffee.
Yes, I can't even see it in the dark. Oh, you can see in the light. It's the L log. Okay, you can put it in.
Yeah, we packed them in his car.
Goodbye.
Taking an L. I don't even know if it's gonna
It was good.
so hot on this side.
Unbelievable.
There it is. The L log.
Bring out some of our stuff. Just dry here.
I can even see it. Oh, maybe if I zoom in a bit. It's digital zoom.
Yeah, record anywhere.
The plate on the side is not lighting.
We're back in business, boys.
Oh no,
Wish I had a camera. No camera. It does not show up well on my phone.
Which one was it? The Churchill?
Churchill, I think. It has a tea making facility. I guarantee you HMS Hood has like at least 1,000 tea makers. So
Maybe it makes sense when you're like Firefly also had them because when they put the 17-pounder in sideways. The Firefly.
oh yeah, they had to put the gun inside. It was
Sideways, the radio.
No, to fit.
We're gonna waterboard him.
No,
Yo, I'll hold his head. I'll hold his head down.
Okay,
I've learned how to hold in my Pittsburgh stuff.
Hold his head down. Hold his head down.
I was looking at Google Maps and it tells us to go like down.
Anticipation.
Down and then left on Green Bank.
Oh.
To my house. It's not 30 minutes of ad-free music.
Yeah, dude.
What talk? Oh, we're gonna take those off.
I suppose.
Bye bye.
Fine.
2 campsites.
It was kind of nice.
It was.
They took it off or they knew I wasn't going to be in regardless.
Well, we're back home. I'm tired.